Hey everyone! In today's video, I will guide you through how to unlock your Facebook account. Here's a simple step-by-step. To get started, tap your Chrome browser to open it or any other browser on your phone. Visit www.facebook.com. Click on Forgot Password below the login. Enter your mobile number or email. Tap Find Account. Your account will be displayed. Tap Continue. It will require you to confirm your account. Check your email for verification code. A 6 or 5-digit code will be sent to your email or phone. Fill in the code. Tap Continue. On the new page, enter a new password. Tap Continue. And that's it! If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Like the video if it helped, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.